We're fortunate over here that we don't have to worry about any big storms on our radar anytime
No,
soon.
actually, we got too much sun is about the only
I
thing we have to deal
know.
with. There's a lot of sunshine out there, and temperatures starting to warm up. Some people, it's going to be a little too hot today and tomorrow for them, but then things are going to begin to cool down. It never stays hot that well. Seldom stays hot that long, but this summer has been certainly much different than what we saw last year with a lot of 80s and 90s. We've actually only seen 90 degrees twice this summer. That was in June and in July. No 90-degree readings in the month of August so far, and we're not really expecting SeaTac anyway to hit 90, though somebody out towards the foothills might do it. Only 79 out at SeaTac yesterday, and to celebrate the warm temperatures, the sunset for the first time since spring, now a little before 8 o'clock at 7:59 tonight. Take a look at the month. You can see it's been quite a contrast to last year. We had a lot of 80s and 90s, like I said. It's been mostly 70s and 80s, and we've had a few 60s mixed in there as well. But next couple of days, maybe some of the warmest ones we've had this month. Still quite a bit of summer ahead of us with another 27 days of official summer. And it looks like, though we're going to cool down over the weekend, we may be warming right back up again as we head towards the middle part of next week, which often in September does bring some of our warm weather. Checking the view there from Port Angeles, looking pretty nice, looking out there across the Strait of Juan de Fuca. And there in Everett, it's been a beautiful shot ever since sunrise this morning, looking at the blue water and blue sky there. Not a cloud in sight over the state. Out of the airport, as I was pointing out earlier, cameras moving around. We have some gusty northerly winds right near Puget Sound. Those are going to be with us today, tonight, and tomorrow. And that is going to keep the areas near the Sound from getting quite as warm as they might have gotten otherwise. So that should be a relief for some folks. Checking temperatures, those are running mostly in the low to mid 70s right now, though as you move farther south, already into the mid 80s down there in Portland. It's going to be maybe pushing 90 down there in the next couple of days for that matter. Checking the University of Washington model, you can see as we head into the afternoon, we have those northerly winds, but we've developed offshore winds. You can see it's offshore all the way across the state along the coast where temperatures are already into the 80s out there. Coming down downslope winds off the Cascades, getting a little heating by compression. That's going to add to it, and that's going to help as we head towards tomorrow to make tomorrow our warmest day of the week. As we head towards overnight tonight, we'll see the offshore winds begin to diminish and pretty much go away, but even though it's going to be cooling along the coast tomorrow with some onshore winds kicking in, over the interior it looks like we're going to be warming it. We're going to keep enough warmth in there and not really pick up the onshore winds to help cool us a little bit. So tomorrow should be our warmest day, and then we're going to be brushed by a little system to the south of us as we head towards Thursday. That could give us a few showers down there in parts of the South Cascades, but otherwise just a partly sunny day on Thursday, and those highs dropping back to the upper 70s and low 80s and cooling more as we hit the weekend. So sunny this afternoon, those high temperatures getting into the, well, 80s most spots and maybe some upper 80s out towards the Cascade foothills. As we head into tomorrow, that's going to be a hottest day for around Puget Sound. We'll look for temperatures in the mid to upper 80s, maybe some 90s out towards the foothill areas. Partly sunny on Thursday, that chance of showers in the South Cascades. Temperatures dropping back to more livable upper 70s and low 80s. As we head into Friday and Saturday, a few morning clouds and sunshine, mid to upper 70s. And then, unfortunately, to wrap up the Labor Day weekend, Sunday and Monday, we'll look for a chance of some showers mixed in with some sun breaks, but cooler with highs dropping back to the low to mid 70s. Though in about 2 months, the low to mid 70s is going to be a major heat wave.
Yeah,
so,
it will be.
Appreciate it. Yeah, totally.
At least summer is hanging on by a thread
It
these
is,
next
for a
couple
while.
days. Yeah. All right, Rich, thank you.